What's up, guys? Welcome back to another tool review. This is another one of my favorite tools. This is the one-man brake bleeder kit by CTA Automotive Tools. If you guys ever done brake flushes before, you guys know exactly how annoying they can be when you're by yourself. So this is definitely my go-to tool when it comes to performing brake flushes. And this brake bleeder adapter kit that you see here is very important to have. Without it, you're not going to get no flushes done, so make sure to grab one. I'll try and put part numbers down in the description for you. The tool itself is very easy and simple to use. Let's talk about what it is and how we use it. And basically what this thing is, it's a sealed enclosed container that gets filled with the right brake fluid. You have a really long hose for the long reaches and a quick coupler, which makes it the cherry on top. This tool is also manual power, so there's no compressed air needed and no electricity required. There's also a nice little gauge right there on the front of the container to let you know how much pressure you're putting to the system. And this thing is so easy to use that my 3-year-old can probably get it done. Right now, what I'm demonstrating is how to use the container. The little cap right there on the top left side is basically your access cap, the fill cap. Fill the container with the right fluid, put the cap back on, make sure it's nice and snug. The brake bleeder adapter kit is basically what you're going to install on your brake fluid reservoir. And like I said, that quick coupler is the cherry on top because all these caps in here are all quick connects, which makes it very easy to use and very fast. The kit itself might not have every cap for every vehicle, but in most cases, these caps will work for itself. You can order more caps through your tool provider. Find the right cap for the right vehicle. Make sure it's snug and tight. Make sure it's not going to come off. Take that very long hose. Take that quick coupler. Connect it right to your quick connect. Again, the tool is manual power, so take that handle, pump it up, add pressure to the system. And basically what the tool does is that it pushes the brake fluid through the system. And one by one, you go to each bleeder, you crack open the bleeder, and you basically bleed the system as normal. Rear right, rear left, front right, front left. So easy to use, again, that my 3-year-old can probably do one. If you guys do not own one of these tools and you guys perform brake flushes, go get yourself one. This thing is by far one of the best tools to have when you're performing brake flushes and you're by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. Like, comment, subscribe. Support is always appreciated.